Welcome to Toyota's digital press conference. After the introduction, you will be able to view the information modules that are of interest to you. If you would like a copy of the digital press kit, just click on the link on the microsite or in the description below. We hope that you find this format convenient, engaging, and informative.
The last 12 months have been exciting for us, not only because of our growing sales volume, market share and hybrid sales mix, but also because of our success in motorsport. Toyota Gazoo Racing winning Le Mans, the World Rally Manufacturers Championship and Dakar 2019 was way beyond our expectations. Toyota Gazoo Racing's role is to inject a healthy dose of motorsport passion into our cars and our company. The latest example is the new GR Supra, which is presented for the first time in Europe here at the Geneva Motor Show. Designed to provide thrills on the road, many customers will also relish the opportunity to drive Supra on track, maybe even to take it racing. That's where our new Supra GT4 concept comes in. The Supra GT4 concept indicates one direction that we could take with the GR brand in the future. Another direction that we're already taking is to bring the GR brand to our core models. In 2018, we debuted the Yaris GR Sport. This year, here at Geneva, we're adding its sibling, the Corolla GR Sport. The new Corolla will be one of our best-selling cars in Europe. It's been very well received by those who have already seen it and, most importantly, enjoyed driving it. Corolla combines our brand new TNGA-C platform with our latest hybrid technology to deliver a car that not only looks great in its three body types, but also delivers real driving pleasure thanks to excellent driving dynamics. These are exciting times for Toyota, with 7 European Motor Show premieres on the stand. Please do take the time to hear more details from my colleagues in the other press conference modules.